I'm Chavi R. This is Neha and that is Chavya. We are the Circuit Quest team. We are studying in grade 8 Excel Public School, Mysore. We have chosen the theme Education and Skill Development and we have developed a low-cost ATL toolkit including all the key segments of tinkering.
Within the spectrum of STEM education, the electrical and electronics engineering domain stands as a gateway to understanding the foundational principles of technology and its presence in the modern society. Yet, the accessibility and affordability of comprehensive educational resources, particularly hands-on toolkits, present a formidable challenge.
To address this challenge of resource accessibility and affordability within the educational sphere, we have decided to develop and design a comprehensive, cost-effective ATL toolkit tailored to facilitate progressive learning experiences.
We conducted a survey using a Google form distributed among 10 ATL school teachers in the Mysore district.
Based on the survey, we developed a low-cost portable toolkit with 6 levels of activity cards and manuals, offering a structured and progressive learning journey. This allows students to gradually build their knowledge from basic electrical concepts to the assembly of electronic gadgets.
In Circuit Sparks Basics, students gain foundational knowledge in electrical circuitry through activities like constructing circuits, interpreting resistor color coding, and exploring capacitor functionality. Wired Wondered introduce more complex projects including a melody generator, voltage regulator circuit, light activated switch, and a fire alarm circuit.
Sensify Arc Studios enhances skills in Arduino applications such as LED blinking, object detection using IR sensor, LCD display controlling DC motor using relay and temperature monitoring. IoT Innovate Network focuses on implementing IoT concepts, allowing students to remotely control LED, controlling DC motor, reading temperature and humidity data via web server.
In Signal Sphere, students delve into wireless communication technologies, establishing communication between devices, wireless LED control using push button, transmit temperature and humidity data, remote control of DC motor, and establishing an IR communication. Circuit craft assembly applies acquired knowledge to real-world scenarios, guiding users through the assembly of devices like a portable radio, mini portable handheld fan, a television remote, and a handheld portable car vacuum.
Three of us came up with the idea of developing a low-cost ATL toolkit. We all helped each other for designing and building the ATL toolkit. We would like to thank the ATL lab team for providing us with an opportunity to work on this project.
Thank you.